students, today I am going to start political science of class 12. Student, I am going to start political science of class 12 and it is the concept 1. Concept unit 2 concept 1 political socialization. Political socialization, that is the after Second World War. After Second World War, comparisons of politics. Comparisons of politics, the study of Asia, Africa and Latin America, which become independent. They became independent. ये लोग क्या हो गए? Independent हो गए. Due to emphasis of introduction, approach behaviorally, it has come पूरी तरह से many socialization concepts were involved in political science, including political culture, political affiliation, political development and political socialization, etc. So many people has come with political science. एक वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड के बाद बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए थे. देयर वाज डिफरेंट चेंजेस, मेनी चेंजेस हैज कम in our country, not only in our country but everywhere, in every way, all over the world. Basically in India it has changes. Socialization is constitutions. Socialization is constitution in society through person can customs, traditional value and regions. Lots of different things has come according to their customs, according to their traditional, their culture, the way to stay, the way to eat, the way to talk, how they used to live in society. In society there were different type of culture. So all this has come out. It has rise up. सब कुछ उभर के सामने आ गया. सबसे बड़ी बात, बेसिकली बहुत सारे बच्चे, चिल्ड्रन हैव राइज्ड अप. बहुत सारे बच्चे भी सामने आए उभर कर इन socialization, in political social. This was the big concept. ये सबसे बड़ी चीज थी. And the same thing was, main has been counted. What was the culture? What was the education? The way they used to talk, the way they used to behave. This was the basic social concept. That was called socialization. इसको कहते हैं socialization. इसमें सबसे बड़ी बात एक चीज और हमारे सामने आई. There are some ideal of every political system. हर एक political system के पीछे एक आइडियल होता है. मतलब कोई न कोई कारण जरूर होता है, कुछ न कुछ जरूर होता है. बिकॉज ऐसे ही नहीं होता है, कुछ न कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट जरूर होता है, कोई न कोई बात जरूर होती है. समथिंग or the other is there. Some or the other concepts are there. Like India ideal democratic system. That was an independent society. Hence, political socialization in India will be attempt to make citizens loyal, democracy and independence. That means India, it was India's some peoples, all the peoples, it was the duty to make it independent. If people are independent, they can do their work how they want to do, what work they want to do, they can do easily. There will be no problem. They can do very easily, so there was no problem. Why communist China ideal? The same way, in India, the people were trying to make everything independent. भारत में सब कुछ एक इंडिपेंडेंटली वर्क करने के लिए तैयार किया गया था और तैयार किया जा रहा था. But same way in China. In China, everything was different. Their behavior towards clothes by society. Therefore, Chinese citizens are tried to mold in the way. और वहीं पे the Chinese people mold away in China. India want to make their people totally independent. That's what I told you. This was a difference of political socialization according to amount of poet. Political socialization is a process through which political culture, political objects, many political things has been changed. Political lives are changed after Second World War. And India has tried their best to make everything independently. A people can do good work in society. This was the big concept of political system, and they have operated the political system easily. Now I will like to tell you 1.1 tools of political socialization. Tools of political socialization. There are many institutions society has developed. Many institutions society has developed. They have come out. वो आए and they wanted to work for our country. They wanted to do something good for our country. They wanted to do the social work for our country. The political socialization is open, democratic society where the radial states like China and fundamental state like Pakistan. Radial state like country like China and fundamental state like Pakistan. The political culture has been developed in India. Thank you.